Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Today I have come up with a video where I'll walk you through the process of loan follow-up. Now when is loan follow-up used? Loan follow-up is used basically when the collection staff goes to the customer and the customer is say not available at home. So he just adds some follow-up comments to follow up with the customer. There's also a feature called skip where he can skip that customer for that time, and then he's going to put a date and a time on which date and time that customer is going to show up in his list again. Okay, this way the follow-up process works. Also, all the skipped customers can be grouped together and assigned to another employee by the admin. So all this can be done. Let's see how. Okay, I'm going to log in as the employee first. Okay, let's log in as the employee. I'm going to log in. Once I log in, I'm going to go and see my loan collection list. There's one loan waiting to be received, but say this person is not at home. So I'm just going to write the follow-up comments. Not available at home. Okay. And I'm going to say follow up with him on the, say on the 27th and save this comments. Okay, now if you see view follow-up comments, you will see those comments here. Now say again you want to you want to write some more comments, so you can again write some comments. Okay, like will be at home on will be at home on first. Okay, and then what you can do is you can just go here and say he's going to be available on the first, save, and then you just skip this customer. Now you've skipped this customer. So now let's log in as the admin again and see. Okay, I'm going to log in as the admin. And then where can you see this employee, skipped employee? First thing, you'll be able to see him in the due list. Okay, if you go here, if you see the due list, you can see that he is in the due list here, Rahul, loan number 16. Now say for some reason he's available and you want to assign him back to that collection staff. So what you can do is you can go to loan skipped list. Okay, and then you can undo his skip. So the skip has been undone. So now what you can do, you can just go back to the admin again, with the login with the employee again. Okay, and see if he's available for receiving the amount. Okay, now I'm gonna log in. Once you log in, you will see that yes, he's available now again. So now what you can do, you can receive his amount here and log in back as an admin. Log in back as an admin and see, okay, log in back as an admin and you can see that he is visible. So now you can go to the loan collection report, collection by staff, and you can just refresh here and you can just verify this amount. So this is the entire amount that has been collected by the agent. So once you click this amount and it is verified, it will start floating in your day book. Okay, it will start floating in your day book. See, there you go. Collection 5,000, recovery 28 and 19 is the interest received. So this way, friends, this way follow-up feature works in Jainam Software. Okay, if you've liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe our Jainam Software YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more updates and more videos on more interesting features. Until then, have a nice day and thank you so much for watching this video.